Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Mona, and today I'll be doing another unboxing from Birchbox and Glossybox. I also got the Groom's Kit by Glossybox. That was a limited edition, which I wanted to unbox, but I did look at it. It was really nice. I don't know if I should unbox it online for you guys to see, because I don't know if there's any male viewers who want to see what the mailboxes are online. I mean, the Glossybox for the males are like. They haven't started doing that yet, but they just wanted to see how it will go and how it will sell, and it's sold out at the moment, I believe. But you can still check it out and see what type of products are in there for the men's, which I'm actually going to be using myself. Sorry about my voice, I've got a cold going on. I'll be coughing and sneezing in some parts of these videos, which I'll be cutting out, so you might not see it. So let's start unboxing. I'm going to unbox the Birchbox first. This is what the Birchbox looks like, collaborated with Disney Frozen 2. I haven't seen Frozen 1 yet, because I don't have any kids to be watching that type of show, so I haven't seen it yet. I know like everybody loves Frozen, and I believe the second one is coming out in November the 22nd, I think. I might check out the first one and then look and go and watch the second one. The usual leaflets. Disney Frozen 2 will be in cinemas on November 22nd. I was right. So this is the November Birchbox. The first item in the box is Seekin Rose Hip Nourishing Cream Cleanser, and this is paraben free. It's a deeply hydrating combination of rosehip and chamomile oil to fight dryness and cleanse the skin. It's for dry and distressed skin type, which my skin is not dry, but I think my skin is not dry, but this winter it's been acting a bit of a mess, really. It's just doing the most. I'm keeping the hydrating going, so this would be great. This works to remove makeup, oil, and dry buildup of the skin. No petroleum or mineral oil, no synthetic fragrance, no animal, no artificial colors, no harsh chemicals, no tea, no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones. It's like the no-nos. At the side, or natural product. It smells a bit pepperminty. If you drink peppermint tea, it kind of smells a little bit like it, but it's got like a little rose infused rose oil or rose water. If you use rose water for your face, it has that kind of smell to it as well. And it says it has rose hip in it, so that's that smell. This item is a full size. It was for £12.95. A product by Cake. Never heard of this. This is Smooth Move Moisture Melt Hair Mask. This moisturize your hair. This is by a Canadian brand. This is cruelty free and vegan product. This has got avocado oil, grapeseed oil, bamboo extract, and vitamin E. After shampoo, apply the mask to wet hair, working through from root to end. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse hair thoroughly. For enhanced results, keep on overnight and rinse the next morning. This sweet sleepover will give you a sweet, soft, smooth hair. Hair mask. I have so many hair masks. It's good to have another one as well. This is a full size, and this retails for $2.99. The next item is by Bodyography, and this is Heatherberry Lip Pencil. That's the shade. I do not believe this will look nice on me. It's like a nude type of shade. It's the exact same shade as that right there. This is really nice and all, but I don't believe it will look that good on me. I love the way that it's pink. I was expecting something more autumny, like, because autumny winter, because we are in the autumn winter season. This retails for $11.99, and this is a full size. This is a lipstick by Liz What's-Here, and this is in the shade Gingerbread. There was like 2 shades that they would email you with, and I did not get the chance to pick. I ran out of time. I didn't get a chance to pick the shade that I wanted. It was this shade, and there was another one. I don't remember the name it was called, but it was like a plum color. Because I forgot to pick the shade that I wanted, they sent me this anyway. So every month they will send you an email to pick a shade that you would like. This is a shade. This is a very beautiful shade. They look nice to me. I believe it would look beautiful, and it's quite a sheer color. So it's like a gloss. This is a mini size because it looks very tiny, and the full size of this retails for £23. The last item in the box is a full size product, and it's by Incredibles. And this is a sheet mask. So it's a flower power hydrating sheet mask, and this retails for £5. I haven't used a sheet mask in like forever, but sheet masks are so much easier. You just take it off and go about the rest of your routine. I have a couple other ones that I have to try, so I can't wait to try this. This says flower power. I love that type of hipster type of theme going on. So you leave on for 15 minutes. Yeah, so that's pretty much what you get in the Birchbox this month. Next box is Glossybox. Okay, let's see what Glossybox has for us in November. The usual pink box. It says winter warmers. This is very cute. So cute. It smells nice. Even though my nose is blocked, I can still smell like really strong things. First item in the box is by Candy Cosmetics, and it's a pre-glow up mist. Get your skin glow ready. It is a glow mist. You have to shake it and then spray on. Spray the mist before or after makeup or on its own for refreshing and glowing skin. This is great for mainly like spring, summer, or if you still want to glow in the winter, autumn, winter, you can still use these. I have one of these already, but not from the same brand. I've got one from Iconic London. So this is my Iconic London one. This is more golden, so this is more ideal for like my dark skin girls. And then this one is like much lighter. You see how much I've used. This much is gone. And then I've got a new one, so which is really good. I'm gonna try. Can't be really heavy-handed with these, or else you look like a disco ball. So I'm just gonna leave it to set. And next we have the Rachel's Smooth Hand Balm. It's got Indian rose and sweet almond oil. Carefully massage your hands and cuticles every day with the balm for hydration and nourishing. It smells like it can soothe you down. It smells good. Next one. This is, I believe it's a full size. Yeah, this is a full size. Tails for £9.90. Next item is by Mud Musky. Leave Me On Winter Mask. And it's a pH balance, protecting, moisturizing, ultra repairing, nourishing, anti-aging. And it says wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer on your face, leave the face mask on during the day. So it's a face mask, but it's a like everyday face mask. And if you're like a person who doesn't have the time to be doing face mask and washing it off, this is ideal for you. This is a full size. This retails for £43.50. I have a product from them from a past Glossybox, and it was a serum, and it was really good. So I can't wait to try this one. Smells good. It's made in Amsterdam. I didn't know that. Has exotic hair oil, and there is 3 that you could get. So you can get this one, which I got the carotene oil, or you can get the coconut oil or the argan oil. So it's 3. So I just got one of these. You get one each. So everybody gets like, will get a different one in their box. Apply onto damp hair from mid-length to ends. This carotene oil smoothens and reduces frizz. My hair now, but I'm not gonna do it because it says apply to damp hair. Read instructions, guys. So yeah, so this is a full size, and this retails for £2.49. I have seen this before. I think it was in Primark, and not like our Primark. It was in Ireland, so it was like pennies, so we call it. And I used to see these like standing up, and I've never actually got one of these before. It was these ones, and it was other ones which were like oil treatments that you can use for your hair. You have to warm it, hot oil treatment, and they like sit together. So it was these ones and then the hot oil treatment. I don't know if it was from the same brand, but yeah, I saw these before. I've never tried this before, but I have tried the Penny's hot oil treatment in my natural hair. This is the Centophil Gentle Skin Cleanser, deluxe mini size, and this size retails for £1.10, and the bigger size retails for £8.99. I've heard this is amazing for people with like acne skin and all of that jazz. I have never tried it before because I've had acne skin, but I never tried these before because I was scared. Anything I put on my skin when I had acne was a burning disaster from my skin. It's not great having acne when you're like an early 20s. It was crazy, especially not knowing where it came from and how it began. So I never tried this. I wished I did. I was recommended this back then because I know that they sell it in Superdrug. I've seen it everywhere in Superdrug. I know they sell it in Boots. I've seen it in Boots as well. So I would like to try this and see how it goes and if it's. So the last item in the box is these two teas from Off a Black Generation Tea. It's a fruit tea. It says brighten up, forest fruits and ginger, and it says glow. 0 caffeine level. It's got hibiscus, apple pieces, ginger, rosehip flavoring, blackberry leaves, blackcurrant leaves, raspberry bits, all in there. And this one is a black tea. This is your golden, spicy, orange and ginger, fully charged. So this is high caffeine and this is 0 caffeine. If you want to sleep, let's have the low caffeine or 0 caffeine. And then if you want like a pick-up, wake up in the morning and need a kick, you can have the high caffeine. And this has got black tea, ginger, cinnamon, clove buds, or lemongrass flavoring, orange flower, and says brew for 3 minutes. Yeah, it's good I got these. Remember last month we had the hot chocolate, and then this month this is an extra treat. Last month was an extra treat of hot chocolate. This month is an extra treat of tea. I still have my hot chocolate from last month, and I'm happy I got tea because this code is killing. I love tea, especially this season. It's my favorite. So most of the items that we got in the Glossybox were all full size. Items that we got in the Birchbox, I think 3 of them were full size and 4 full size items in the Glossybox. So which is really good because you get to try the full size of all the items. And so that's everything I got in the November beauty boxes from Birchbox and Glossybox. Okay guys, do comment below if you've tried any of these products before and what you like about it and would you recommend it. Also, I would like you to comment below and tell me what your favorite products this autumn and winter is, and let me know why you like it and why you recommend it. Let's get chatting and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.